Today we are going to do a physical activity called long jump. This fun activity can be played outdoors or if you have a big enough space indoors. For this activity you will need masking tape and chalk. First, make a line using your masking tape or your chalk. This will be your jump off point. You then get your child to run up to the masking tape and jump. The aim is to see who can jump the furthest. By doing long jump, they are working on their gross motor skills and coordination. Active play allows children to release their energy in a positive manner.